If you could change the world with just your voice, what would you do? Have you got an idea that needs to be heard? Or have you ever wondered what it takes to speak so people listen? I mean, really listen. Many of us see role models like Martin Luther King, Greta Thunberg, or Marcus Rashford who use their voices to change the world, inspire or entertain others, and think, I could never do that. Too many people lack the confidence or skills to share their ideas effectively. They think the ability to speak out is a gift that they don't have, and this means their voices are never heard. But the good news is public speaking skills can be learned and mastered. We've helped over 400,000 young people do just that. Becoming a better public speaker isn't just about becoming the next Greta Thunberg or being able to inspire a team like Jurgen Klopp. Having the confidence and skills to stand up and speak in front of people can change everything, from the way you see yourself to having your ideas and opinions listened to by others. And as a bonus, these skills will help in your exams and your future career too. But by the end of this challenge, you will speak up with confidence. You'll be hearing from experts on speaking and presenting and learn using clips from great speeches, including lots from other students completing the challenge. You'll have plenty of opportunities to try these skills out and learn what works for you. First, we'll help you identify what you want to talk about and how to create a clear message from your idea. Then, we'll help you turn your message into a great speech by creating engaging content that the audience will connect with and that will support your message. By structuring this content in a way that hooks the audience in, helps them follow your points, and inspires them to think, feel, or act differently. And by delivering your speech with confidence, we show you how the use of your voice, eye contact, and body language helps bring life to your speech and really engage the listener. Those three parts form something we call our communication triangle, the key to delivering an impactful speech. And when you're ready to complete the challenge, you'll have the opportunity to put your learning into practice and share a recording of your speech on a subject that you are passionate about. You can take this course on your own and practice in front of your laptop, tablet, or phone, but if you prefer to learn socially, we encourage you to share with others doing the course. There's lots of ways you can do this, like showing them a preview of your speech, and we'll show you how as we go along. Enjoy the challenge. We can't wait to hear your speech.